Hello again. Nice to see you. Today we're going to make a very simple dish called Assam Hae. Assam means tamarind and hae means prawns. So Assam Hae is tamarind prawns. This dish is a very traditional dish in Malaysia, in Penang, where I come from. And every family will have their own. So now I would like to share with you my family dish called Assam Hae. Hi, I'm Loretta Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And I upload a video every day and to share the food that I eat, the food that I prepare, and all things related to food. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. And if you think my videos are interesting and you learn something new, please don't forget to share with your friends and families. So, okay, let's go and see how to prepare this very easy prawn dish. Let's go! For the Assam prawns, you will need 250 grams of large prawns with the shell removed and the vein removed as well. Add 3 tablespoons of water to the tamarind pulp and then you squeeze it to extract the pulp. You pour this into the prawns. Add in 2 teaspoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Add a shake of white pepper powder and then you mix it up. And then you let it stand for about 10 minutes. Now to fry the Assam prawns, I just put about half a tablespoon of oil. Oil is now hot, so we add in the prawns. Leave the marinade behind. We fry it on one layer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now the prawns is halfway cooked. Half of it is red, so you just turn it over. Cook it for another 1 or 2 minutes. It looks like it's cooked, but we want to make sure it's thoroughly cooked, so we just toss it about for another minute or so. Then we add about 2 tablespoons of the water to the marinade. So now we add the marinade without the seeds. Let it boil. If you like, you can actually thicken it with a bit of corn flour. So, it's ready. We just plate it up. We plate it up nicely. We sprinkle with some greens and a shake of white pepper. Yeah, so it's done. That's our easy peasy Assam prawns. Here is our tamarind prawns or Assam prawns. Simple, easy to cook and lovely to eat. We've done the Assam Hae or tamarind prawns. It's a family recipe which we have since I can remember. You know, ever since I was a young child, I remember eating this, and every family will cook their own version, but it's a very simple version. So I'm going to try it. So I've got an Assam prawns here, and it's got its sauce, like clinging sauce to it. Okay. It goes well with rice. Let me try the prawns. This is so lovely. It reminds me of my childhood days. If you put the sauce with the rice, it is actually very tasty. I'm eating it with some vegetables. It's so lovely. So I hope you enjoy watching me making Assam prawns, which is so simple. You can have everything done within like 20 minutes to half an hour. So I'm glad that you joined me because this is a very, very simple dish and a lovely dish. So please try it. So until the next time, I'm Loretta, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and it's a place where I share my love of cooking. So until the next time, please don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. See you then. Bye. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.